Good morning, everyone. Today I have some levels on Bank Nifty, crude oil, copper, gold, and silver. Like from the past two sessions, I couldn't stream. The reason is the market was actually volatile, and I don't take risk on volatile markets. So it's better to avoid those levels and better not to trade and sit and watch. We might get days like these once in a month or twice in a month, very rare scenarios only. So that was like yesterday and day before yesterday. So that was not day before yesterday, last trading day. So better not to take any risk, and even the petrol prices are going to hike up. So news are coming like that, and that also might create a negative impact in the Indian market, which makes the market more volatile. And before the market opens, and I have some levels like Bank Nifty, crude oil level, copper, gold, and silver. Just for your understanding, mark these levels on the chart or just write it down somewhere. So when the level activates, and you'll get to know where to take the trade and when to take the trade. And I'll be giving calls on my Telegram channel based on these levels, like how to trade, when to trade, target, stop loss, and everything. So just follow it. So I'll just give an overall idea. So for those people who are watching my stream for the first time, so I'll tell them how the levels works for and as of I see the market has opened in a huge gap up today, like 142 or 143 points gap up Nifty. So I have levels on Bank Nifty, and the Bank Nifty has opened positive. So let's say I probably the market will open here today, and once the market opens here, we have to wait for this level, and once it reaches this level, the market will retrace from this level. So how much it's going to retrace, and what will be the stop loss and everything, I'll be giving you the levels, stop loss and targets after the market opens. So till then we'll wait patiently for that level, and before that just mark these levels on your chart somewhere. It will be very helpful after the market opens, and already the commodity market has been opened. Crude oil, copper are still on the waiting list. So let's see. And let me see the world market. See, US market is like 1.84 percentage upwards, which is a positive sign. And we always concentrate more on the Asian markets, because Asian markets are the one which I most of Indian stocks are already trading on SGX Nifty and others like Nikkei and everything. So if you see, the European markets are also positive, and SGX Nifty is not that great, but still it's positive. Nikkei is 1.56. Okay, I don't see a much huge gap up in the US, sorry, Asian markets. So we can see some reversal in the sense, after the market opened positive, the market might take some downward movement till the level. So it's better we wait patiently till 12 o'clock. If we get the levels, we'll be trading on Bank Nifty for today. And but for sure, some commodities will get activated. So that also we have to wait patiently. Till then, mark the levels, wait patiently for the levels, and execute your trades. So market live updates we are getting in indices are trading higher in the pre-opening. ONGC, Hero MotoCorp and INBDA Bank and Focus. So never listen to these people's updates. Like they'll give some stock recommendations. Uh, shouldn't go with that. We should have some common sense and working on our own levels and trades. So I'm just seeing the war overview for today. As I told you in the news, the petrol diesel price are hiked up by 80 paise. Total increase now is 5 rupees 60 paise. Within a week, the petrol and diesel price are going like 5 to 10, and we can expect the petrol prices to be 165 to no, 165 to 160 within this year itself. So since everyone are going through EV hybrid, EV and CNG, there will be a huge market fall in the coming days. So this is something like not a positive sign. So only for that, and that is simply a correction. So whatever it may be, if it's a positive news or negative news, correction will happen. Then the market will continue in its own trend. So till then, don't make some huge investments in the market because gold prices, petrol prices are the one, not petrol, the crude prices are the one which determines the whole market era. So in that case, be very careful. Don't do some huge investments in any companies for a few days, at least for this year. So trade safely for today. That's it. And then once the levels activates, I'll be guiding you on Telegram. So that's all for today.